Harnessing technology for healthy habits.
Building sustainable, healthy habits can be challenging, but technology offers powerful tools to help. By leveraging habit tracking apps and automation, you can make lasting changes to your daily routines. Let's explore practical ways to turn your health goals into achievable, long-term habits with a little help from tech.
Choosing the right habit tracking apps.
Start by selecting a habit tracking app that fits your needs. Popular options let you set goals, track progress, and send reminders. Look for apps with features like daily streaks, goal visualization, and motivational notifications. These tools make it easier to see your progress, stay accountable, and build momentum as your new habits start to stick.
Setting smart, achievable goals.
When using technology to build habits, set clear, realistic goals. Use your app to break big objectives, like eating healthier or exercising more, into manageable daily actions. Small, specific tasks are easier to track and celebrate. Let your app's reminders nudge you when it's time to take action, helping you integrate habits seamlessly into your day.
Automating healthy choices.
Take advantage of technology to automate parts of your wellness routine. Set recurring alarms for hydration, schedule grocery deliveries for healthy foods, or use smart kitchen devices to prepare nutritious meals. The less effort required to make healthy choices, the more likely they'll become automatic, lasting habits.
Tracking progress and staying motivated.
Regularly check your habit app to see your achievements and review trends. Many apps offer charts, badges, or streak counts to keep you engaged. Don't forget to celebrate your milestones. Even small wins matter. Sharing your progress with friends or joining online communities can also boost motivation and accountability.
Adapting and growing with technology.
As your lifestyle changes, let technology support your evolving goals. Update your habits in the app, explore new features, or connect wearable devices for deeper insights. Embrace setbacks as learning opportunities and adjust your strategies. With consistency, technology can be a reliable ally in building and maintaining healthy, sustainable habits.